okay, Herman? Am I recording? Of course I am. Well then let's get a video since I turned on the thing by accident. Well, they don't usually like each other, but they're laying by each other. And now, look at his face. He's not too happy. Bootsy was under the covers. He laid on Bootsy.
Why?
Bootsy was kissing him. Let's see if I can get them to love each other. Oh, good Bootsy. Good Herman. There's my kitties. Kitties.
This is different.
Pretty kitties. Well, they're not going to do anything exciting except look beautiful. Or, sorry, boys. Handsome. My handsome boys. There's my Rufus. My Piper. And
it was 2 years ago.
my Phoebe. The poodles are my nieces. Herman, don't be doing that on camera. Piper, does Phoebe get in the litter box? Who gets in the litter box? Does your sister like to eat cat shit out of the litter box? Litter box. Does Phoebe like the litter box? Who likes the litter box, Piper? Sit, Piper. High five me, Piper. Good girl. High five. Sit. Sit, honey. High five me. There's a good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at Mr. Jealous here. Oh, Mr. Jealous. And there's the kitties. Okay, gotta go. Peace out.